chart patterns. Now, chart patterns are almost similar to candlestick patterns because we use them to determine the direction of price or what price wants to do. But the major difference between chart patterns and candlestick patterns is that chart patterns, you analyze a larger number of candles, unlike candlestick patterns where you analyze like 3 candles, 1 candle, Chart patterns, you analyze a larger number, of candles altogether. And also chart patterns, they are used to predict long-term price movements. Candlestick patterns might signify, short-term price movements, but chart patterns, long-term, price movements in the chart. So basically, they are very similar to candlestick patterns, but they are used to analyze, longer price movements, and then you analyze way more candles than in candlestick patterns. That's basically from between chart patterns and candlestick patterns. But note that both of them are used to try and understand, or rather analyze the charts to understand what price wants to do, which is what we do as forex traders, actually know what price wants to do so we can either buy or sell. Simple.